eQuipped by KaTom offers ranges with a variety of additional cooking options to suit every need, and this all-in-one cooking unit is the perfect solution for kitchens with limited space. In a 60-inch wide footprint, this range includes 6 U-style burners with removable grates, a 24-inch griddle, 2 full-size ovens, and a back riser with a storage shelf. 2 oven racks are included and can be adjusted to accommodate products of all sizes. Front manual controls allow operators to cook any food with precise temperatures. To keep messes and splatters to a minimum, 4-inch side splashes surround the griddle's cooking surface. A removable crumb tray sits beneath the range and griddle to collect any crumbs or debris, making cleanup a breeze. This unit is fueled by liquid propane, but a natural gas unit is also available. To learn more about this range or any other cooking equipment from eQuipped, visit us online at katom.com or call our customer care team at 1-800-541-8683.